For the dumbbell shoulder press, you're gonna have 2 dumbbells at the shoulder, sitting on a bench. You get one of those benches where your back can rest against it. If you don't have one of those, just do what I did. Stay nice and tall and press directly vertical. So with the weights all the way out, you're going to go up, above, and slightly behind your head. So see the angle here? I'm not pressing up like this. I'm pressing up and behind. Elbows start out underneath the weight. Press straight up and back down. So this is from a seated position. Use that back rest if you have one.